Hey and welcome! Today we're messing around with a Chivalry 2 style game. So here's some gameplay from Chivalry. Super cool game, medieval vibes, swords and all that. I'm using the latest version of Unity because it has some AI features built in now. Figured I'd give it a shot. First, I need a character. Found one on the asset store. Gonna import it into Unity real quick. Alright, here's the character. Not great. Let me find another one. Oh wait, human character dummy? That might work. Okay, importing that, and it's in. Let's do something with it. But, right, we need animations. I'm gonna grab some from Mixamo. It's solid for free character animations. There's always that with or without skin thing. Usually you import without it if you already have your own model. Applying the animation now... Wait, why is the character flying? No gravity. Great. Okay, that's not working. Let's try a different one. Ooh, this one looks better. It comes with jump, idle, run, even a third-person controller. Not bad. Yeah, this one might be it. Mixamo's animation still looks a bit weird, though. Let me see if I can find something smoother. Found a proper third-person pack. Animations look really clean. Jumping, running, it just feels better. This might actually be the one. Also found another asset full of sword animations. Gonna hook those up to some simple button presses. Cool, now time to add armor and obviously a sword. Animations are fixed up, let's give it a try. Bang! Oh, that's solid. Slashes, overhead hits, armor reaction. It's working nicely. Now I'm adding some code using ChatGPT and Copilot to help out. Alright, so when the player gets close, the enemy attacks, and then, boom, he dies. Okay, we need a proper death animation. Found one, testing it, /clash, and he drops. Looks pretty decent. Still, I kind of want a character that actually feels more like someone from Chivalry. Found one, but it's huge. I can scale it down though, no problem. But here's the issue. No rig, so no animations. That's a no-go. All right, scrap that.
Maybe I can add some clothes, like a cape, you know, just defining which team is which. But yeah, it does not look as it should. Maybe I should do a little bit of collisions and stuff.
Wait! Why am I in first person? What the heck is going on? Yeah, nope, the cloth's not great. You know what? Forget the clothing. I don't need it. I'll just throw on some materials instead. So I started looking into some Mason and Agatha references. You know, the two factions in Chivalry. Red for Mason, blue for Agatha. Simple, clean, classic. We also need a map, so I started working on the terrain. Just the standard Unity terrain, added some mountains around the edges, built up the space a bit. Of course, needed some textures, grass for the ground and something rocky for the mountain parts. Then added some trees, just sprinkled a few around to bring it to life. After that, did a bit of post-processing to give the game a proper feel. Fog, lighting tweaks, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's how it's looking right now. Not bad. We definitely need some blood though, but yeah, the good blood packs are paid and, well, I'm not exactly rolling in cash. No one's buying me coffee to afford these things, so...
Piece of sheet? Did you say coffee?
Yeah, you know the buy me a coffee website kind of thing?
Guys, just buy him a cup of coffee so he wouldn't cry.
Hey man, mind your own business. The boys are on it either way.
Okay, piece of sheet. I'll find my way out.
Good. Now, back to it.
We're going with free for now. It's fine, really. Anyway, I grabbed some free character models, got my army lined up. Let's see how they fight. Oh, yeah, okay. Most of them were just awkwardly moving around in armor. Not great. Needed a bit of fixing, adjusted the animations. Now it looks... yeah, it looks all right. Oh, and by the way, I added a little bit of UI. Totally forgot to record that part, sorry. Also dropped in a token system, just messing around with small features. Then I realized the map still felt a bit empty. So I added some fire assets, found some free houses, threw them in. Played around with the materials, changed a few things here and there. Duplicated the houses, resized them, rotated some to break up the repetition. Then I added this simple victory defeat text, just like in Chivalry, super dramatic. Also dropped in some sword sounds and added blood effects when the player gets hit. Oh, and I fixed the health slider too. So yeah, this is how the game's looking right now. Not bad at all. And here's the victory screen popping up. Nice little touch. I hit play, ran the build through Unity, and this is where we're at.
Masons, rally now! Let our steel roar and our banners fly high! Hold firm as shields, strike with honor, let no foe stand in our path!
Got the war cry, the fighting, the atmosphere. Yeah. That's it for now. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. See ya.